All right, this is gonna be very quick one, okay? So if you have to, pause the video. So this thermostat is a digital. I'm replacing it with smart thermostat, and you can see it already has 3 wires, and one is line 2, and one is a load. So basically line 1 is where the power is coming in. Line 2, it's basically just running through. It's not connected in most people's cases. It's just inside of the junction box. So in your case, that blue wire will not be connected. You would have only 2 wires, okay? Remember that if you have a basically a mechanical just thermostat, okay? Just mark before you remove your line and load. So line 1 on a Mysa thermostat will be black 1, and your load will be black 1 as well. So just make sure you don't mess that up, okay? And your line 2 will be the red one, which is, in your case, again, I'm repeating, may not be connected at all. So that's where you're going to connect the line 2. So screw it back into the electrical box, level it, and the cover just slides in. You just slide it in just like you take it off. There's a 1 screw that holds at the bottom. You're just gonna unscrew it and then reverse it, right? Basically put it back in, tighten it, turn the power back on. When you turn it back on, heater will be on. You can manually turn it off and then start pairing with your phone. There's a QR code. You may not need it. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.